Hi everyone. Today we can start exercise 22C, question number 1 onwards. So first question, find AD. So look at that figure. We have to find AD. So how can we find AD? If we consider triangle AEB, so first one, consider triangle AEB. We have to find out AD. Since BC is given as 5, DE also will be 5. So for finding AD, we need AE. So how can we find AE? AE is equal to, using tan 32, we will get AE, no? So tan 32 will be what? That is tan B is equal to what? Tan B is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. So tan 32 will be AE divided by, so this will be the opposite side AE, then this is 90 degree. So AB is the hypotenuse and BE is the adjacent side. So tan 32 degree we can write it as AE divided by BE. Since CD is given as, since CD is equal to 20, we can write what? CD and BE are equal. So BE is equal to CD is equal to 20. Same way we wrote 5 here, no? So BC is given as 5. So we can write BC is equal to DE is equal to 5. So here BE is equal to 20. So tan 32 value from the table, we will get it as 0.6249. 0.6249 is equal to AE divided by BE 20. So if we cross multiply, AE into 1 is AE is equal to 20 into 0.6249. So AE we will get it as 12.50 meter. So what about AD? AD will be, therefore AD is equal to AE plus ED, that is 12.50 plus ED is 5, which is equal to 17.50. Second question, here also we have to find AD. So given BC is equal to AC. Since BC is equal to AC, angle opposite to that particular side will be equal. So this angle A will be equal to angle B. We can write it as X. Let it be X. So angle B we marked as X and angle BAC, this angle we marked it as X. These two are equal, these two angles are equal. Why? Because BC is equal to AC is given in the question. Also given angle ACD. If we consider angle ACD, this angle C and angle B and angle BAC, these two have a relation. That is, if we consider triangle BAC, if these two are the opposite interior angle, then which one will be the exterior angle? 48 will be the exterior angle. That is, we know exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So exterior angle of a triangle means 48. Exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So opposite interior angles, which are the two opposite interior angles? X and X. So sum of means X plus X is equal to 48. Understood? So if we consider triangle BAC, this 48 is the exterior angle of triangle BAC. So exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So x plus x, we can write it as 48. From there we will get 2x is equal to 48 degrees. So x is equal to 48 divided by 2. That is x is equal to 24 degree. That means here we will get it as what? 24 degree. Here also it will be 24 degree. So for finding AD, what we can do? We have hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle. So this AB is the hypotenuse. AD we have to find out. We got angle B, that is x is equal to 24 degree. So how can we relate with the 30 and 24 degree? Which we have to take sine 24 degree. So if we consider triangle ABD, sine 24 degree is what? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. That is sine B. Otherwise we can write it as sine B. Sine B or sine X. Here X no. So sine B is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So sine B is what? B we got it as angle B as 24 degrees equal to opposite is AD divided by hypotenuse 30. So if we cross multiply, either you can substitute the value here or after cross multiplying you can substitute the value. Anyway, first method we substitute directly here. So this method I am doing in another way, that is without substituting, first cross multiplying and after that I am substituting. So 30 into sine 24 degree. From the table we will get what? AD is equal to 30 into sine 45 is equal to, not sine 45, sorry, sine 24. Sine 24 from the table we will get as 0.4067. 0.4067. So AD will be 12.201. 12.201. So we can write AD is equal to 12.20 meters. Second question. In the following diagram, AB is a floorboard, PQRS is a cubical box with each edge 1 meter and angle B is equal to 60 degree. Calculate the length of the board AB. Given PQRS is a cubical box. So PQ will be parallel to SR. PQ will be parallel to SR since PQRS is a cubical box. So if we consider the concept of corresponding angles, how can we write? Given B is equal to 60 degree. So which angle will be 60 degree? Angle APQ also will be 60 degree. Two parallel lines, and suppose PQ and RS are two parallel lines and AB is the transversal. So this angle, suppose O and Q. So angle AOQ will be equal to angle AQS. These two are the corresponding angles. So same concept we are applying here. So this angle P will be 60 degree. Why? Because angle B is given as 60 degree. Okay. So given PBS is equal to 60 degree. So we can replace this P as, we can extend that. So ABR is equal to 60 degree. Since ABR is equal to 60 degree and APQ also will be 60 degree. Why? Because these two are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles will be equal. So we got this angle P as 60 degree. So if we consider given PS is equal to 1, no? It is there in the question. Edge of a cubical box is 1 meter. So we have to find out AB. For finding AB, if we consider triangle PBS, for finding AD, if we get PB, we can find AB. So how can we find PB first? If we consider triangle PBS, opposite, and this will be the hypotenuse. This is 90 degrees. So PB is the hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse means sine we can take. Sine B is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. That is sine 60 is equal to, here opposite is what? PS divided by hypotenuse is PB. Given PS, edge of a cubical box is given as 1. So instead of PS we can write it as what? 1 divided by PB. What about the value of sine 60 from the table? It is sine 60 is root 3 by 2. No, instead of writing the decimal values, we can write it as root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 divided by PB. For easy calculation, apply this sine 60 as root 3 by 2. So cross multiply root 3 into PB is equal to 2 into 1 2. So PB is equal to 2 divided by root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732. Don't substitute that value as 1.732 there. So instead of substituting, we can rationalize this. So root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So PB is equal to 2 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So here we can substitute the value of root 3, 2 into 1.732 divided by 3. Okay, so what is the value of 2 into 1.732? So PB is equal to 3.464 divided by 3, it is 1.1546. PB value we got. For finding AB we need which one? AP also. So how can we find AP? If we consider triangle AQP. So finding AP, consider triangle APQ. Given PQ as 1 because it is a cubical box. So all the sides will be equal. So AQ is the opposite, PQ adjacent, and AP is the hypotenuse. So which one we have to take? We can take cos P is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos P is what? Cos 60 is equal to adjacent is what? PQ divided by hypotenuse AP. So cos 60 is equal to 1 divided by AP. So if we cross multiply, what we will get? AP into cos 60 is equal to 1. So AP is equal to 1 divided by cos 60. So what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. No? So 1 divided by cos 60. So instead of this by, I am writing division symbol. Cos 60 value, cos 60 division symbol I am writing to avoid confusion. So 1 divided by cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So how can we calculate? AP is equal to 1. Division will become into, if we take the reciprocal of 1 by 2 as 2 by 1. No? 2 by 1 is a reciprocal. So AP value is what? 2. So AP we got it as 2. Here 2. So how can we find AB? Very easy, no? AB is equal to what? AP plus PB. AP plus PB. So AP 2 plus 1.1546, which is equal to 3.1546. 3.1546. So we can correct that to 3 decimal place. No? So 3.156 means greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the nearest one. So it will 4 will become 5. So AB is equal to 3.155. So AB we got it as 3.155 meters. Okay. So question number 3. Calculate BC. Figure is the AD is given as 20. So angle B is given as 35 degree. This angle A is 42 degree. We have to find out BC. So how can we find BC? AD is given as 20. So if we consider triangle ABD, consider triangle ABD. AD is 20, BC we have to find out. That means if we consider this big triangle ABD, BC plus CD is what? BD. So total BD if we get means, from there we can find a BC. So what will be? Which one we have to take? Tan, no? Opposite divided by adjacent. So tan B is equal to opposite divided by adjacent, that is tan 35 degrees equal to AD divided by BD. So tan 35 is equal to AD 20 divided by BD. So here if we substitute the value, just look at, so before substituting, or if we substitute that value, tan 35 value means what we will get, or before substituting we can cross multiply. Suppose tan 35 into BD is equal to what? 20. So what will happen? BD is equal to 20 divided by tan 35. No. So that decimals we will substitute here. So instead of substituting the decimals, it will be difficult for us to do the division. So what we have to do is, don't substitute the tan 35 value here. Let it be there itself, that tan 35 as tan 35 itself, and cross multiply that and write like this way: BD is equal to 20 divided by tan 35. So 20 divided by tan 35, here tan 35, don't substitute the value of tan 35 here. Instead of that, we can write BD is equal to 20 divided by tan 35 means what? 20 into 1 by tan 35, isn't it? That is 20 means what? 20 divided by 1. So numerator into numerator, 20 into 1 is 20 divided by 1 into tan 35 is tan 35. So 20 into 1 is 20, 1 into divided by 1, that means 20 into 1 20, 1 into tan 35 tan 35. So 20 divided by tan 35 we can split as 20 into 1 by tan 35. So we know that 1 by tan 35 is what? Cot 35. So we can write 20 into 1 by tan 35 is cot 35. Okay. Why we are doing this means, to avoid the lengthy calculation, we are using this method. So keep in mind how to do this problem. Very important, how to convert this. Okay, keep in mind. So cot 35. So cot 35. Cot 35 complementary angle, that is cot 35 and tan we have a connection, that is we know tan 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cot theta. That means 35 plus some angle, we want to get it as 90. Sum of these two angles will be 90 degree. That is the connection between tan and cot. So how can we find this angle? That will be 90 minus 35. No? So 90 minus 35 is what? Find out. That is 55. So if cot 35 is there, theta, that is instead of cot 35, we can write it as tan 55. Understood? Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So we have cot 35. So instead of cot 35, we can replace it as BD is equal to 20 into cot, we can replace it as tan, and instead of 35, we can write it as 55. Why? Because these two are complementary angles. So it will be easy to multiply by 20 instead of here. Here if we substitute the value 35, we have to divide that. So to avoid that, use this method. So BD we can write it as 20 into tan 55 will be 1.4281. 1.4281 from the table. From there we will get BD is equal to 28.562. 28.562. Total we will get it as 28.562, that is BD. So how can we find the BC? How can we find BC? So for finding BC we need which one? CD, no. BD we got. We need CD. So then only we can subtract what? Then only we will get BC. That is BD minus CD will be BC. So first find CD. So how can we find CD? If we consider triangle ADC. So consider triangle ADC. So here also we can take what? ADC. We can take tan 42. Isn't it? Tan 42 we can take. Angle is given as 42. So tan A is equal to what? Opposite divided by adjacent. That is tan 42 is equal to opposite. We don't know. This is BD. This one is what? Total BD. We need CD. We don't know that. So CD divided by adjacent. If you are considering this triangle, this is the hypotenuse and this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. So adjacent is what? AD. So tan 42 is equal to CD divided by AD is given as 20. Okay. So if we cross multiply, what we will get? CD is equal to 20 into tan 42 degree. So CD is equal to 20 into tan 42. From the table it is 0.9004. Multiply. CD is equal to 18.008. So BC we have to find out. So BC is equal to BD minus CD. That is BD is 28.562 minus CD we got it as 18.008. So subtract, you will get it as 10, no? So BC we can write it as 10.55. Since it is less than 5, we can delete this 4. We can write it as DC is equal to 10.55 centimeters. Given all are in centimeters, so we can write centimeters. Okay. Fourth question. Calculate AB. Look at this figure. So we can consider which triangle? Consider triangle AED. If we consider triangle AED, consider triangle AED. We have to find out AB. So from this triangle we will get AE. So how can we find AE? AE will be what? Cos, no? This will be opposite and this is a hypotenuse and this is a adjacent. So cos 30 degrees equal to, directly I am writing, cos 30 degrees equal to adjacent is AE divided by hypotenuse DE. Okay. So cos 30 is equal to, cross multiply, you will get it as AE is equal to, or before cross multiplying we can substitute the value. No? So cos 30 degree is equal to AE we don't know and DE is equal to 6. So next we can cross multiply. So AE is equal to 6 into cos 30 degree. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. No? Instead of finding from the table, we can directly write a root 3 by 2. Then we can cancel 6 and 2. No? So that's why we are substituting that value as root 3 by 2 instead of, you can also write which one, that decimal values from the table. Okay, root 3 by 2. Cancel. So A is equal to 3 into 1.732. So A is equal to 3 into 1.732 is 5.196. So instead of doing substituting this, if you are directly substituting cos 30 value, you will get the value 5 into that value, you will get it as 5.196. So which one is convenient, that you do. Okay. So A is equal to 5.196 we got. 5.196. The next, if we consider triangle CBE, same way we can consider triangle CBE. We need EB. So EB is opposite and this is the hypotenuse. So what we have to write? Sine 47. No? Sine 47 degree is equal to opposite. Opposite means EB divided by hypotenuse is EC. So sine 47 degree is equal to EB we have to find out. EC is given in the question as 5. So cross multiply. EB will be what? 5 into sine 47 degree. We don't know the value. So from the table itself we have to find out the value of sine 47. Sine 47 is 0.7314. 0.7314. So EB we will get it as, here I am writing, EB is equal to 5 into 0.7314 is 3.657. 3.657. So 3.657. So what will be AB? AB will be, add it. That is AB, you can write it as, that is AB is equal to AE plus, if you need you write, AB is equal to AE plus EB. That is 5.196 plus 3.657 is equal to 8.853. That is AB is equal to 8.85 meters. Fifth question. The radius of a circle is given as 15 centimeter. So look at this figure. If you are taking triangle ABC, CA is the radius and CB is the radius, C is the center. So radius is given as 15 centimeter. That means AC is given as 50 centimeter. So automatically CB also will be 15 centimeter. And chord AB subtends an angle of 131 degree at the center C of the circle. Chord AB subtend an angle of 131 degree means this is the chord AB, that is this is AB, this is a chord AB. So this angle is given as, that is angle ACB is given as chord AB subtend an angle of 131 degree at the center of the circle. So this angle is given as, this angle C, this angle is given as 131 degree. Using trigonometry, calculate the length of AB. Second one, the distance of AB from the center C. Distance of AB from the center C means we have to find out CD. Second part is we have to find out CD. So how can we find CD? And we have to find out length AB also. First part we have to find out AB. So AB we have to find out, CD also we have to find out. So given ACB is 131 degree. So what will be angle ACD? Angle ACB is given as 131 degree. So automatically angle ACD will be what? It will be half of 131. No, 131 divided by 2. Okay, that is 65.5. 65.5. So this will be what? Instead of this I will write, this will be 65.5 and this also will be what? 65.5. We have to find out AB. That means we have to consider both the triangles. So first we can consider which triangle? Triangle ACD. Consider triangle ACD. So sine 65.5 if we take, then only we will get AD, opposite divided by hypotenuse. No. So this is 90 degree. So this will be the hypotenuse. So sine 65.5 is equal to AD, opposite divided by hypotenuse is AC. That means 65.5 degree means we can write this as 65 degree, 65.5 degree we can write it as 65 degree. 5 degree we want to convert it into minute. Okay. So 5 degree is 30 minutes. That is 1 degree is equal to 6 minutes. Study it. 1 degree is equal to 6 minutes. So 5 degree will be what? 5 degree will be 6 into 5, that is 30 minutes. So 65.5 degree. So 65 degree and 5.5 degree. So that 5 degree we can write it as 1 degree is 66 minutes. So 65 degree, 5 degree in terms of minutes we can write it as 30 minutes. 65 degree 30 minutes is equal to AD divided by AC is 15. Okay, cross multiply. You will get it as AD is equal to 15 into sine 65 degree 30 minutes. So AD is equal to 15 into, from the table find sine 65. So here natural science, here you will get 65 degree. Then you can see minutes here. So from there you search 30 minutes. So which line, this one will coincide, no? That point you have to take, that value you have to take. 65 degree and 30 minutes. That value you have to take. So look at that, what will be that value? It is 0.9100. So AD is equal to 13.65 centimeter. Since AD is equal to 13.65, AD is equal to BD. It's a perpendicular bisector, no? So AD is equal to DB. So AB will be what? 2 times AD, that is 2 into 13.65, which is equal to 27.3. 27.3 centimeter. That is our first part. Okay, AB we have to find out. AB is equal to 27.3 centimeter. Next we have to find out CD. So how can we find CD? For finding CD, consider that same triangle, no? CD is what? This is the hypotenuse. This opposite. CD is the adjacent. So which one we have to take? Cos 65.5 degree is equal to adjacent, means CD divided by AC. That is 65 cos 65 degree. 5 degree we can write it as 30 minutes. No? Already we discussed that. Okay. So CD we don't know. CD divided by AC 15. So cross multiply. CD is equal to 15 into cos 65 degree 30 minutes. Same as we have done in natural science, we have to take natural cosines. From there you will get 65 degree. Here you will get 30 minutes. So check that value. So cos 65 degree 30 minutes, you will get it as 6.2205. 05. So CD, after multiplying, you will get it as 6 point, no, cos 65 degree 30 minutes is what? Sorry, 15 into 65 degree 30 minutes is 0.4147. I wrote the final answer, that's why, sorry. So 65 degree 30 minutes is 0.4147. That is 15 into 0.4147 is equal to 6.2205. So CD we can write it as 6.22 centimeter. So second part we have to find out CD. Okay. Okay. Thank you.